2 hours, same business, same tools, same opportunity. One person walks away with their first dollar online and the other has nothing to show for it. And when I looked at what each of them actually did in those 2 hours, it hit me like a ton of bricks because I'd been the wrong person for longer than I'd like to admit. Here's what happened. Person A spends 2 hours watching training videos, tweaking their website layout, researching yet another strategy. And person B spends those two same hours creating a video, sending an email, and following up with leads. Both of them say that they worked on their business. Only one of them did anything that could actually produce a sale. And that's the trap. There's a massive difference between being busy and doing what grows your business. Changing your logos, refreshing your stats dashboard for the ninth time, and reorganizing your folders, it feels productive, but none of them puts money in your pocket. Not a single penny. Think about your own last few days. How much of that time was spent on content, traffic, list building, or making offers? The things that could actually lead to a sale, and how much of that time was spent rearranging the furniture. Most people, when they're honest with themselves, already know the answer. Here's the uncomfortable truth. The activities that pay are the ones that most people avoid. Creating content, generating traffic, building your list, making offers. Some people hide behind the preparation because taking real action means risking rejection, and rejection stings. So they stay in research mode forever, telling themselves they're almost ready. They're not almost ready, they're hiding. And here's how you can tell the difference in real time. Ask yourself this one question before you sit down to work. If I do this for the next 2 hours, is there any realistic chance it leads to a lead, a customer, or a sale? If the honest answer is no, you're not working on your business. You're working around it. Stop asking, what else do I need to learn? And start asking, what can I actually do today that could lead to a sale? Making your first dollar online will teach you more than another 50 hours of training will ever. That first dollar changes everything because it proves the thing actually works. From now on, don't measure your day by hours worked. Measure your day by one simple question. Did I do something today that could create a lead, a customer, or a sale? If you're putting in the hours and have nothing to show for it, take an honest look at how you're spending that time. The answer is usually right there. Look, if this hit close to home and you want a system built around the activities that actually move the needle, one handles the selling side so you can stay focused on what matters, it's worth taking a look at what I'm working with. The link is bigresidual.com.